In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off location services on your iPhone to stop apps from tracking you. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and then scroll down for a bit until you find Privacy and Security. And here tap on Location Services. Now in here at the very top position you can find Location Services feature. You can hit on this feature to enable or disable that feature. If you want to completely turn off this feature, just tap right here, then tap on Turn Off to completely turn off location services at your device for every applications. Or you can turn on this feature and set up permissions for using location services for each individual application. So now I can open up, for example, Boomerang application, and there I can set permission for location access for that specific app. I can set it to never, I can set it to while using the app, and also I can set it to ask next time or when I share. And in that way I can set up permissions for each specific app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.